show you how to make a pasta al funghi. First thing you want to do is fill a pot of water and bring it to a boil. While your water is heating, you can start prepping your ingredients. Start by cutting all your mushrooms in nice big pieces. Dice a nice big onion. And mince a clove of garlic. When you have a rolling boil, drop in your spaghetti. In a second pan, heat up some oil and drop in your onion. When the onion turns translucent, drop in your garlic. After a few seconds, drop in your mushrooms. This will be a lot, so make sure your pan is big enough. When your spaghetti is almost done cooking, grab a mug and take out a nice big amount of water. You will need it later for the sauce. And when your pasta is done, drain all the water. When your mushrooms are done, add all your cream, your vegetable stock powder, and your spaghetti. Throw everything together, add some pasta water and keep mixing until it makes a nice sauce that coats the pasta. Finish it off by adding some fresh pepper. Plate it in a nice bowl and add some parsley, some nutritional yeast or cheese to finish off your dish. Enjoy!